Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication inside Facebook app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes and to not miss out on vital information. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, make sure Facebook app is up to date to the latest version. Once that is done, go ahead and click on the Facebook app. Then you want to click on the hamburger looking icon, top right hand corner, and then from here scroll down and click into settings and privacy, and then click into settings. And now the quickest and fastest way is to find two-factor authentication would be to click on the magnifying glass and type in two-factor authentication. Alright, like so, and then click on the two-factor authentication. So I'm going to choose an account to set up two-factor, so I'm going to click on TutWiz. And now you might come to this page, or you might need to enter in your password to get to this page. So just go ahead and enter your code, or sorry, your password, and then you'll get an email sent, and then add in that email to come to this page. So once you're here, it says here choose your security method. So for this demonstration I'm going to use the Authentication app, so I'm going to click on to next. Alright, instruction for this setup, so download an Authentication app, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to go to my Play Store, and a good authentication app is Google Authenticator. So go ahead and search for that and download Google Authenticator. Click on install. So it's going to download and install. So what I'll do, I'll pause this video and get back to you once that is done. While this is down, go back to Facebook, and you can either scan this barcode or QR code in the Authentication app or copy the key and paste it in. So I'm going to do the copy key method. So that's copied to my clipboard. I'm going to head back here. Alright, it's still downloading and installing, so I'm going to give this video a pause. Alright, it's finally downloaded and installed, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So I'm going to add a new code. If you don't come to this page automatically, you have to sign in or set up this Google Authentication app. So there's videos on YouTube how to do this, but once you've done that, I'm going to click on add new code. So I'm going to enter a setup key. Type in account name Facebook, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste the key. If this video might be black, it's because of security reasons inside the app, so just follow along. So I'm going to paste in the key, and you can type a key. You can do time-based or counter-based. I want to do counter-based, and then click on to add. Alright, now that authentication code is saved, so I'm going to refresh it. So now I've got the code here. I'm going to copy that code, head over to Facebook, then click into next. I'm going to enter in that 6-digit code from Google Authenticator, and then click on to next. Alright, if it says here this code isn't right, please try again. Go back to Google Authenticator, refresh that code, copy code, then head back and then repaste that code in. Alright, I'll put the code in, so now I'm going to go ahead and click on to next. Alright, it says here two-factor authentication is now on. So once that is done, go ahead and click on done. Alright, that's it for this video guys, how to set up and enable two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. So thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.